Do you know why comfort eating is called comfort eating? The reason is a hormone called cortisol. When cortisol stays high, chronically elevated, like during stress, it tells your body to store belly fat. It increases your sugar craving. A scientific study shows that people with chronically elevated level of cortisol find it difficult to lose weight even if they reduce their calorie intake. So practice deep breathing and meditations daily. Go for long walks where you enjoy the nature and scenery around you. Replace snacks with magnesium-rich food like almonds, spinach, and bananas. And exercise moderately, especially cardio exercise. So managing stress isn't just good for your mind, it's a proven way to lose fat. For